Hi guys, my name is Spencer from Buildapreneur, and in this video I'm going to show you a no fluff method where I show you on my screen exactly how you can make $100 a day as an affiliate marketer. Now remember, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, I promise you want to click subscribe to this channel. It's what we do. But let's dive right in and talk about this method here, okay? The first thing I want to understand is the numbers that we need to understand, because so many affiliate marketers try to focus on Amazon affiliate marketing products, and the numbers often just don't make sense, okay? So think about it. Is it easier to make 100 $1 sales every day, or is it easier to make 10 $10 sales every single day, or to be easier to make one $100 sale every single day? I would bet it would be easier to make one $100 sale than it would be to make 100 $1 sales. So in this method, it's important that the products that we choose are around $100, okay? We want $100 a day. We don't want to try to sell it to 100 people a day because we're probably going to need thousands and thousands of people coming to our website or our YouTube channel every day for that to work. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to find these products that are right around $100 or more so that we can only focus on getting one sale every day. So our first step as affiliates trying to make $100 a day is to find those products that can bring us at least $100 the single sale, right? And you'll find products honestly ranging from $100 to some of these really high-end ones that'll pay like up to $5,000 per sale, which would be great because you only have to get one sale a week. But typically I'll focus on around the $100 to $500 range. So this is something that people overcomplicate. All you're going to do is you're going to head to Google and you're going to say high-paying affiliate programs, okay? And you are going to get a massive amount of affiliate programs. You can see there's just tons of different bloggers writing about them. I have a blog post myself that talks about them. All talking about like high-paying affiliate programs with good commissions. So all you're going to do is you're going to do that, and you're going to get a list of hundreds. And a lot of these blog posts will actually break it down into category. So you're going to go through each one. You're going to make a list of not too many. Like in the beginning, we're going for $100 a day, so we only want a few products that can do that for us, okay? So just get a few products. Maybe 5 to 10 products that can each potentially pay you $100 on a single sale, and those are the products that we're going to focus on promoting, okay? All right, so after we've chosen our products, all we're going to do is we're going to create content around that product. And if that doesn't make sense to you, content is basically what we're putting out on the internet, right? Blog posts are content, YouTube videos are content, Pinterest pins are content, Facebook posts are content. These are all pieces of content that we're putting online. So we're going to create pieces of content on marketing channels like Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and blogging. And we're going to put these pieces of content on the internet with links pointing to our affiliate links, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our affiliate programs that we're promoting, and we're going to try to find keywords that people are looking for on the internet that our affiliate program could help solve, okay? And that might sound a little confusing. Let's just show you some examples here. We're going to go to Uber Suggest. This is totally a free tool, so you can go there right now and use it as well. And let's say that our product was, what's a product that pays $100 a sale? Probably the best product right now that pays $100 a sale. There's a link down below. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge by ClickFunnels. It's exactly a $100 sale, and it only costs $100. So it's a really cool gig, actually, because you get 100% commissions when you sell it. The company gets none of it. They'll try to sell them down the road, obviously. But anyway, so One Funnel Away Challenge. Just type it in. Okay, just directly the product. What's this going to do? This is going to give us a bunch of phrases that people are searching on the internet that involve the One Funnel Away Challenge. Okay, I'm going to scroll down here. This says, oh, 1,600 people are looking for the One Funnel Away Challenge. Okay, which means we can make content just focused on that exact thing. Okay, so we can make reviews, One Funnel Away Challenge review. We can make One Funnel Away, like what is the One Funnel Away Challenge? We can do bonuses. Those are people actually looking to buy it from an affiliate. They're just wondering who has good bonuses. Russell Brunson One Funnel Away Challenge. Okay, so you can see there's tons of people searching for different versions of the word One Funnel Away Challenge. So the first and like the hottest content we create around this particular product would be reviews. It would be competing products. So we could go find other products that are similar to this, and then we could write up about those and then say, hey, but you should do the One Funnel Away Challenge. We could do versus. So there might be products that are like the One Funnel Away Challenge. We could say, hey, like One Funnel Away Challenge versus this product. That's a piece of content we could create, right? And when I say content, remember, I'm talking about like a YouTube video or a blog post or something like that. Anyway, we're seeing all kinds. One Funnel Away Challenge download, PDF, scam. So you could say, is it a scam, and do a post about that. This particular product looks like there's not as much like volume going, like as much things searching. But the next route you take is you say, okay, what problem does this product solve? Okay, so like what is the problem that this product solves? Well, this teaches people how to build sales funnels. So let's go look at that and see if that's got some more information. Okay, so we've got some stuff we can do there. 170 people a month searching for how to build sales funnels. 170 people searching for how to build a sales funnel, how to build a sales funnel fast. These are all things the One Funnel Away Challenge solves. Okay, how to use ClickFunnels. These are people that the One Funnel Away Challenge actually teaches you to build sales funnels inside of ClickFunnels. So there are people looking for that we could also benefit from. Look, 170 people searching for how to use ClickFunnels, how ClickFunnels work. ClickFunnels training could be one, okay, where we give them some ClickFunnels training and then we refer them to the One Funnel Away Challenge. Say, hey, the best route for you is to head over and grab the One Funnel Away Challenge because this will take you step by step through how to do this. And you can see there's 140 people there. So can you see how we're going about this? We're just using this tool to figure out anything that's over about 150, searches a month. We're going to build content around. And for me, I love YouTube and blogging and Pinterest. But for you, you might just choose one of those. Like, I like making YouTube videos. Or you might say, hey, I'm really good at writing, but I'm terrible at sitting on a camera. I'm going to do blogging. And other people might be like, I suck at writing. I suck at being on video. But hey, Pinterest is a fairly easy solution, which it is. So I'm going to do my content on Pinterest. So each of these platforms have, different amounts of volume that people search them on and things like that. But in general, if someone's searching on one, they're probably searching on other platforms as well. So all we're going to do is we're going to be creating content that just follows these keywords, okay? We're seeing these keywords here, and we're just going to create content around it. We could just type in ClickFunnels because that's the maker of the One Funnel Away Challenge, and I'll bet you we could get even more content that we could potentially build. If Uber Suggest will give it to us. So ClickFunnels versus lead pages, ClickFunnels alternative, ClickFunnels templates. The One Funnel Away Challenge has a lot to do with that. Someone looking for the template means they're brand new to ClickFunnels. They want a template. Well, guess what? You can say, hey, take your template and run it through the One Funnel Away Challenge, and in 30 days you'll have your funnel up and running because that's what the challenge is about, okay? So you can see that's 590 people looking for that. ClickFunnels examples. These are people brand new to ClickFunnels that would benefit from the One Funnel Away Challenge, right? So we're figuring out what the audience, the people that could benefit most from this product are looking for online, and we're going to build content around that, okay? So that's step one. What we're going to do is we're going to create a spreadsheet. We're just going to get a blank sheet like this. We're going to say keyword, volume, and we'll kind of blow them over like that. And we're going to make a big list, okay? So One Funnel Away Challenge review. How to build a sales funnel, right? And we'll keep going down the list like that. We'll make sure we remember the volume down the road in case we want to know like which ones to focus on. And what we're going to do is we're going to build up a big list of 10, 15, 20, up to like 50 pieces of content that we can batch out and build. And then we're going to go out and we're going to do it. Okay. So One Funnel Away Challenge is a great example of this. Another great example that I use is Wix. So Wix is like a website builder, and I believe they pay $100 flat fee to affiliates that refer people to them. Okay. So you can build all kinds of content for Wix around like build a website, right? Because Wix is like a really easy website builder. So you can take people searching for how to build a website or anything related to that. And Uber Suggest is going to give us those terms. Build a website for free, how to build a website, to build a website, build a website GoDaddy, which isn't part of Wix, so we wouldn't do that. Build a website with Google. I don't know what those people are asking, to be honest. Build a website software. There's a good one for Wix, right? Build a website with Wix. Well, there's a winner, right? And this little piece right here actually tells you how easy it is to rank for, and that's one of the easiest ones to rank for. Like if I were in this space, I'd be all over this because it's really easy to rank for, and there's 2,400 people looking to build a website with Wix. Wix gives you $100 every time someone signs up through you. So how many of these people you think have not signed up for Wix, and all you've got to do is say, hey, to build a website through Wix, step one is sign up for Wix. Boom, you get a sale right there, right? For this hot traffic that's already looking to sign up for Wix. Same thing with how to build a website easily. Anyway, I think you're getting the point here. So then we're going to go and we're going to create content that helps these people. We're going to answer the problem or the question they have or solve the problem they have, okay? And the reason we do this on search engines and not like Facebook and Instagram is because here's a scenario, okay? Would you rather try to sell Wix to somebody that's Googling how to build a website with Wix, or would you rather try to sell Wix to somebody that's just pulled open their phone and they're planning on looking at Instagram for 20 minutes on their lunch break? Because those are the difference between the two people, okay? You want to sell Wix to that guy who's sitting there on Instagram on his lunch break, or you want to sell Wix to the guy that's like, hey, I want to build a website and I kind of want to build it with Wix, and I'm actually going to go take action and figure out how to do it right now. Like I think it's clear, right? The one you want to sell to is the person who's looking to build it with Wix, and that's why we do this content on search engines, on websites that are search engines, as opposed to like Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat and those kind of other social media platforms that we see so much advertising on. So let's look at an example here. I'm just going to pull up a link so we can look at my example and see what your content's going to look like, okay? So this is a blog example. So on a blog post, you're going to make a post that looks like this, okay? And you're going to have, so I put my video in there, and you're going to have buttons like that. Or you could do links like this as well, but buttons are a little more eye-catching. So you'll say, let's say this article was about Wix, right? Step 1, sign up for Wix. Big button, sign up for Wix, okay? And that is your affiliate link right there, okay? So that is where you make your affiliate commissions is right there. So this particular example, I'm doing the One Funnel Away challenge actually, I think somewhere here. Or I'm at least referring people to ClickFunnels, and I'm saying, hey, if you're looking for some high-ticket affiliate programs, you should sign up for ClickFunnels, and boom, you see how that can work? So you need to make sure your link is big and bold in there. Like that's the goal, right? That's your call to action. That's where you actually make any money, is when someone clicks your link. So you're going to create content that answers their question, but when it comes time to get people to actually take a piece of action that brings you in money, that's where you build the content around that, right? Like when you're looking here, what do you see? You see that button. Like that's that you want to click that button. I want to click that button right now because it's big and orange and bold, right? So when you get to the spot in your content where it's time for this, yeah, you've got to make it big and bold and some kind of color, and do everything you can to say, like, this is what you've got to sign up for. Like, this is beneficial to you, right? Because hopefully you've chosen a product that you actually believe in. The second way you can do it is, I use pop-ups for two things, but you can use pop-ups to say, you could have a pop-up right here that literally pointed people to Wix, like, grab your free Wix trial right now, right? That's one way. I actually get their email address with this pop-up, and then I email them things like Wix trainings and ClickFunnels trainings and One Funnel Away challenge emails. So that's the second way, is to put a pop-up in the blog and do it that way. But this is the biggest way right here, right? Someone grabs this. They're like, okay, what programs do I need to make more money? And they go right to here, and that's the first one they see. They click that, and if they do sign up for ClickFunnels, Spencer makes commissions, right? Same thing with Wix and any of the other examples we're talking about. People are going to go and gravitate to that button. So we can do that on YouTube by putting links in the description, or you can put links in YouTube. Actually, will let you pop a link up on the screen to certain websites, so you can have it pop up on the screen and say, like, hey, grab a Wix trial right now. In fact, you could have it say right when you're talking about Wix in your video and saying, hey, you want to sign up with Wix? And I'm going to show you right here how to do it. Boom, you can have something that pops out that says, go head over to Wix right now and grab a free Wix trial. So YouTube videos, you can do it, link multiple ways. Blog posts, you can link multiple ways. Pinterest posts, you can either link to your blog post or link directly. Multiple ways for this to be done, right? The point is, you've got to have an affiliate link that's easily accessible, and then you've got to be targeting the right keywords for that particular affiliate link, that product. You need to find the people that actually will benefit from that product. Okay, so the beauty of this is it's very, very scalable. Okay, so this isn't how to make $100 a day today or $100 a day tomorrow. This is how to build up an affiliate business that brings in $100 a day every single day, regardless of how you work. Okay, a truly passive income affiliate business. And the way that works is you build content, right? This blog post, I did this April 29th, okay, and I'm just about ranking with this one. Once I'm ranking, I'll start getting signups for join this ClickFunnels program, and I'll be getting signups for this ClickFunnels program on autopilot, and I could rank for 3, 4, 5 years in that top spot once I'm there, okay? And that'll just continue to bring in signups every single day. So imagine if you were ranking for how to build a website with Wix. Can you see how much money you can make if you were ranking in the top 3 for that and you were getting clicks every single day? The cool thing about search engines is they like old content. And so you can have old content that still brings in money, and you can either be growing your business, shooting for the next level, which is $200 a day or $300 a day, or you can be living life and being out with your family or traveling or whatever it is that you love doing and still bringing in that original $100 a day. So that's the beauty with this method as opposed to any other method you hear about out there. Search engines give you the ability to actually create passive income and not, that hard active income that you'll find on Facebook and Instagram and places like that. So if you want to see some campaigns that really crushed it for me, some affiliate marketing campaigns that were major winners for me, there's going to be a pop-up right here. Go click that, and you can see my best 4 affiliate marketing campaigns. Each of these brought in $25,000 in commissions or more. They were very successful, and I take you inside to actually see how they work. Thanks for watching, guys.